Jody in them. Well, no.
This is why I'm behind the camera, not like. Okay. So I'd probably say that I've like always been interested in skating, whether it's like video parts or like magazines and stuff like that, and all doing it myself, I guess. But never really properly got into filming until maybe like the past like 2 or 3 years, something like that. Just doing like little projects, nothing serious, but hopefully now get more into it, I guess. Maybe start some sort of serious work, so yeah. So yeah, probably for the last like 6 months, I've been filming little bits here and there with Jody and Leo Smith, who are 2 local skaters. I guess they've done quite well so far, but I know they've got promo coming out for their own board company, which they've been doing for probably almost a year now. So yeah, I mean, if we do go somewhere, whether it's the skate park or wherever, like I know we'll probably get something. But like, there's been times when like we've talked about going places like all day, and like we're super like hyped to go or whatever, and I'm like, oh yeah, can't wait to film whatever, and he'll be like, oh yeah, we've got all these people coming, like we'll definitely get some footage. And I get there, I'm sat there for an hour, I check my camera, and I've like forgotten my SD card or something like that. So it's that kind of like level of professionalism, I guess, that I don't really have. So I don't know, but yeah, it's cool for the moment.
Take the 8 bars of somebody grinding, and if it's like on a high level, it's kind of.
If you speak against me, what got me into skating was probably my dad bought me a skateboard when I was about 12, I reckon. Just went down, just skated around the streets, like riding off curbs and stuff. Just pretty simple, didn't really push myself at that time. Started skating with my friends when I first went to Mount Hawke. Met Luke and Oscar. They were pretty chilled skaters, just did the same stuff as I did. Like about the same ability as well, started when I started. It was pretty good, just progressed with them. Pretty chilled. As good as Mount Hawke was, we always wanted to experiment and go street skating. There's not much at all in nearby, Truro or anything. So we got trains up to Milton Keynes, where there's ledges, it's all marble. We went to Plymouth a few times. Just so much fun. Just drives you to keep trying new tricks and stuff.